Hi, Daryl Martin here with Primetime Health Coaching. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, just a real quick video I wanted to share with people. A lot of people ask me all the time, why do I need to emphasize healthy eating so much? Why do I need to focus on drinking water, etc., etc.? I just want to share with you my insight, at least my beliefs on why healthy eating is so important. I'm thinking ahead. I'm fast forwarding 30, 40, 50 years from now when I'm much older than I am now. And my motivation personally is to be fully functional and not be dependent on other people to take care of me when I get to that age. But looking nearer term, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years from now, one thing to consider, and it's been a long time since high school, but one thing that we learned in high school in biology is that every part of our body, skin, nails, hair, our organs, everything is made up of cells. And each of those cells actually has a certain lifespan. So they're always dying off and reproducing themselves. And one of the best ways to see this, if you get a cut on your skin, it's amazing, at least to me, when we get a cut on our skin, it heals. I mean, our body heals. It creates new skin cells and closes the gap, heals the sore, the injury, or whatever it is. Our body's doing that all the time. So I've heard different estimates of how often every cell in our body dies off and is replaced. I've heard 7 months, I've heard 11 months, but just for argument's sake, let's just say it's a year. Over the course of a year, so say from now, fast forward 12 months from now. 12 months from now, theoretically, every cell in our body will be new. Not one cell in our body that we have now will be existing 12 months from now. It will have died off and been replaced by another cell. So the thing that motivates me is when I think of it in those terms, is that in order for those cells to be developed or be built or created, it has to have raw materials from somewhere. We don't just have those, and the only place we get raw materials is what we put in our body. So obviously the air we breathe, the water we drink, or whatever we drink, and whatever we eat. So something to consider is, everything that we're consuming is contributing, and that's actually raw material for these cells being rebuilt. So for me, I'm thinking 1 year down the road, do I want my body then to be comprised of things that are not so optimal? It could be sugar, flour, any kind of processed foods, or do I want fresh, healthy, nutritious ingredients that my body can use to rebuild every cell in my body so that I'm healthy and vibrant and energetic. Anyway, that's kind of what motivates me. So I just want to share that real quickly. Something to take into account. So that's why we end up aging. Well, people age because we're not putting the right stuff in our bodies. So then when it does rebuild 12 months from now, usually we're older or we're not as flexible or energetic or athletic or whatever the case may be. So anyway, that's my thought. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you next time.